Imagine standing on the shore of a vast, dark ocean, the horizon stretching endlessly before you, the night air filled with the sound of waves. You hold a simple glass bottle in your hand, inside it a message, your hopes, your dreams, your story, sealed away and ready to embark on a journey into the unknown. With a gentle toss, you cast the bottle into the waves, watching as it drifts away, carried by currents you cannot see, to destinations you cannot imagine. You wonder, will anyone ever find it? Will your message survive the journey? And if so, who will read it? This is the story of Voyager 1, humanity's own message in a bottle, launched into the cosmic ocean on September 5, 1977. Built by human hands, powered by curiosity and hope, Voyager 1 was sent forth to carry our story far beyond the world we know. Voyager 1, along with its twin Voyager 2, embarked on a grand tour of the outer solar system, taking advantage of a rare planetary alignment that occurs only once every 176 years. This alignment allowed the spacecraft to slingshot from one giant planet to the next, gathering speed and momentum as it explored new frontiers. Voyager carried sophisticated instruments to study Jupiter and Saturn, but it also carried something extraordinary, the Golden Record. This gold-plated copper disc contains sounds and images from Earth, greetings in 55 languages, music from across cultures, and a map to our home. It is a greeting to the cosmos, a time capsule of who we are. Voyager 1 sent back breathtaking close-ups of Jupiter's swirling storms, the churning atmosphere, and the erupting volcanoes of its moon Io, revealing wonders we had never seen before and transforming our understanding of the gas giant. It also unveiled the intricate beauty of Saturn's rings, capturing images in stunning detail and showing us the complexity and elegance of these distant worlds. After its historic planetary tour, Voyager 1 did not stop. It pressed onward, leaving the familiar planets behind and venturing into the vast, uncharted territory beyond our solar system, a journey no other spacecraft had ever made. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 crossed a boundary no human-made object had ever crossed before. It entered interstellar space, becoming the first emissary from Earth to reach the space between the stars. Now, Voyager 1 drifts silently through the galaxy, far from home, its faint signals still reaching us across unimaginable distances. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity, our relentless desire to explore, and our ability to dream beyond the limits of our world. Voyager 1 is more than a spacecraft. It is a symbol of our curiosity, our hope, and our willingness to reach for the stars, no matter how distant they may seem. It is quite simply our message in a bottle, adrift in the cosmic sea, carrying the story of Earth into the endless night, waiting for someone somewhere to discover it. Voyager 1's journey began with a daring leap, a moment that captured the imagination of people around the world. In 1977, as the engines roared to life and the spacecraft soared skyward, few could have predicted just how far this tiny probe would travel, or how much it would change our understanding of the cosmos. Voyager 1 took advantage of a rare planetary alignment, a cosmic opportunity that comes only once every 176 years, to slingshot from Jupiter to Saturn using the gravity of the giant planets as a celestial highway. Arriving at Jupiter in 1979, Voyager sent back breathtaking images and data, revealing the great red spot's swirling power and the planet's turbulent atmosphere in unprecedented detail. It also made a groundbreaking discovery on Io, one of Jupiter's moons, witnessing volcanic eruptions for the first time beyond Earth. This proved that moons could be alive, dynamic worlds, not just dead rocks drifting in space. Then, in 1980, Voyager 1 reached Saturn, unveiling the true complexity of its rings, thousands of icy ringlets sculpted and shaped by the gravitational pull of tiny hidden moons. The images revealed a world more intricate and beautiful than anyone had imagined. Its close flyby of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, revealed a thick, hazy atmosphere reminiscent of early Earth, hinting at the possibility of organic chemistry and raising new questions about the origins of life in our solar system. But this ambitious trajectory flung Voyager 1 out of the planetary plane, ending its grand tour of the giant planets and sending it on a new path, one that would take it beyond the familiar worlds of our solar system. Its planetary mission was over, but a new one began, a solitary journey into the vast, uncharted interstellar void where no human-made object had ever ventured before. Voyager 1's discoveries rewrote textbooks, transforming our understanding of the outer planets and their moons, and revealing a solar system far more dynamic and surprising than we had ever imagined. Its legacy inspired generations of planetary scientists, engineers, and dreamers, fueling new missions and sparking curiosity in classrooms and laboratories around the world. Voyager showed us that the outer solar system is not a cold, static place, but a realm of dynamic, unexpected wonders, where storms rage, volcanoes erupt, and mysteries abound. The spacecraft's legacy is not just in the data it sent home, but in the questions it left us to answer, questions that continue to drive exploration and discovery to this day. Voyager 1's odyssey continues, carrying our curiosity and our hopes ever farther from home as it journeys into the unknown, a silent ambassador of humanity. Its journey is a legacy of discovery that endures, reminding us that the quest to explore and understand our universe is never truly finished. For nearly 50 years, Voyager 1 has sent back whispers from the edge of the solar system. But in November 2023, its voice faltered. Data streams turned to gibberish, a repeating pattern of ones and zeros. The spacecraft could still hear commands, but couldn't speak coherently. At over 15 billion miles away, every command took 45 hours for a round-trip response. The culprit seemed to be the Flight Data Subsystem, or FDS, the computer responsible for packaging science and engineering data. Diagnosing the problem was like fixing an engine with instructions that took days to arrive. Engineers tried restarting the FDS, but the gibberish persisted. The challenge was immense. Troubleshoot a 1970s computer billions of miles away with only faint clues to guide you. Voyager 1, the survivor of cosmic radiation and deep space cold, now faced a new test. From within, the race was on to restore its voice. Fixing Voyager 1 meant grappling with ancient technology, computers with less memory than a car key fob, running code written in a language few remember. The FDS computer's memory is measured in kilobytes, not gigabytes, and a single corrupted bit could bring the system down. Engineers pored over decades-old schematics and handwritten notes, searching for answers. Modern spacecraft have self-diagnostics. Voyager 1 does not. Each command was a calculated risk, sent blindly across the void. The original design's robustness is astonishing. Nearly 5 decades in space, still running. But the 2023 glitch was a battle of wits. Today's engineers versus a 46-year-old machine. The challenge was as much about time as it was about distance. After months of dead ends, the Voyager team tried a bold move. Command the FDS to send back a full memory readout. It was a gamble. No one knew if the computer could comply. 2 days later, the signal arrived, a complete memory dump, the key to the puzzle. Engineers compared this snapshot to healthy versions and found the culprit, a tiny chip with about 3% of its memory corrupted. The damaged section held the code for packaging data, explaining the gibberish. Relief was short-lived. Now they had to fix it, remotely, with no way to replace hardware. The only option, a software patch, moving the code to a healthy memory location. It was remote brain surgery, using instructions written in a half-century-old language. The stage was set for one of the most daring repairs in space history. Success would mean restoring Voyager's voice and its mission. Failure would mean silence. Repairing Voyager 1 required a blend of old-school expertise and modern AI. The spacecraft, launched in 1977, was never designed to be fixed from billions of miles away, let alone with tools that didn't exist when it left Earth. Yet, as Voyager's voice faded, a new generation of engineers stepped up, determined to bridge the decades with innovation and determination. Engineers used advanced algorithms to analyze the memory dump, pinpointing the corrupted code and mapping its dependencies. This process was like digital archaeology, sifting through ancient software, line by line, to uncover the root of the problem. The team had to understand not just what had failed, but how every part of the system was connected. The FDS software was tightly interwoven. Moving code meant updating every reference, a delicate operation. Even a small mistake could have silenced Voyager forever, so every change was checked and rechecked, drawing on both the wisdom of the past and the precision of modern computing. AI tools helped ensure the patch would work without crashing the system. Simulations ran countless scenarios, testing the fix in virtual space before it was ever sent across the solar system. This partnership between human intuition and machine intelligence was crucial to the mission's success. On April 18, 2024, the team sent the patch, instructing the FDS to use a new memory location. The command traveled for nearly a day and a half before reaching Voyager, a reminder of just how far humanity's reach has extended. 2 days later, Voyager 1 responded with a clear, readable signal. Its voice restored. The relief and excitement in the control room were palpable, as decades of work and hope paid off in a single, triumphant moment. The fix was a triumph of human ingenuity and technological evolution. It showed that even the oldest machines can be given new life when people refuse to give up. The robust engineering of the 1970s met the analytical power of the 21st century. This unlikely partnership proved that innovation is timeless, and that the best solutions often come from blending the old with the new. This repair echoed lessons from projects like A Sign in Space. Solving cosmic challenges requires both creativity and collaboration with intelligent tools. It's a reminder that space exploration is a global effort, drawing on diverse minds and technologies. Voyager's recovery is a testament to what's possible when past and present work together. It's a story of perseverance, teamwork, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a model for future exploration and for decoding the unknown wherever it may be found. In 1990, at Carl Sagan's request, Voyager 1 turned its camera back toward Earth and captured the pale blue dot. From nearly 4 billion miles away, Earth appeared as a single pixel, a mote of dust in a sunbeam. Sagan's words remind us every person, every joy and sorrow, every civilization lived on that tiny dot. The image is a humbling antidote to our self-importance, underscoring the fragility of our world. It challenges us to cherish and protect our only home. The pale blue dot is perhaps Voyager's greatest gift: perspective. Voyager's journey into interstellar space continues this legacy, connecting us to the wider galaxy. It reminds us that our planet is just one world in a vast, mysterious cosmos. Voyager 1's saga is about our search for context, our place in the universe. Every bit of data it sends back helps us understand the galactic environment and the conditions for life beyond Earth. Voyager is our scout, exploring the unknown and informing our search for habitable worlds. The golden record it carries is a symbol of hope, a greeting to the cosmos, even if no one ever finds it. Creating and sending it was an act of optimism, a declaration that our story matters. Voyager tells us as much about ourselves as it does about the stars. It embodies our curiosity, ambition, and ability to work together across generations. Listening to Voyager is listening to our own aspirations, echoing across the stars. Voyager 1's future is a race against time. Its power source, a radioisotope generator, fades a little each year. Engineers have shut down systems to conserve energy, but soon even the science instruments will go dark. By the end of this decade, or early 2030s, Voyager will fall silent. Yet its journey will continue, drifting through the galaxy for millions of years, carrying the golden record. It will outlast us, a relic of a species that reached for the stars. We listen because as long as Voyager whispers, we are still exploring. Its story is our story, a testament to our drive to understand the cosmos. Voyager's survival inspires us, showing what's possible when we aim high. We will listen until the last signal fades, honoring the journey of this small machine and the boundless curiosity that launched it. Voyager 1 is our eternal message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean,